Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. In the world of sprays, there exists a vast array of products that cater to diverse needs and applications, from the gentle mist of a perfume to the powerful stream of cleaning solution. Sprays have become an integral part of our daily lives. Whether it's for personal grooming, household chores, medical purposes, or industrial applications, spray offers a convenient and efficient way to deliver a precise amount of a substance exactly where it's needed. In this exploration, we will delve into the various types of sprays that makes our lives easier, healthier, and more efficient. From the familiar to the specialized, let's discover the many faces of sprays and their unique uses. Now we will discuss some of the sprays. Number 1 on our list is cleaning sprays. All-purpose cleaners, glass cleaners, disinfectants and degreasers. Number 2, personal care sprays, deodorants, dry shampoos, hairsprays, perfumes and colognes. Insect sprays includes insecticides, repellents and bug sprays. Number 4, cooking sprays, cooking oils, non-stick sprays and baking sprays. Fifth one, medical sprays. These includes pain relievers, antihistamines, decongestants and asthma inhalers. Number 6 is gardening sprays, fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides and fungicides. Number 7 is art sprays, paint sprays, varnishes and fixatives. 8th one are industrial sprays, which includes lubricants, adhesives and protective coatings. Number 9th one is automotive sprays, which includes car wax, tire shine and rust inhibitors. Number 10, agricultural sprays, crop protectants, fertilizers and growth regulators. These categories cover various types of sprays used in different contexts, from household chores to personal grooming, healthcare and industrial applications. Sprays are a popular form for many products due to their convenience, efficiency and versatility. Here are some reasons why many products come in the form of sprays. Number 1, easy application. Sprays allow for quick and easy application, often with a simple press of a button or nozzle. Number 2, targeted delivery. Spray enables precise targeting of the product exactly where it's needed, reducing waste and mess. Fast absorption. Many spray products like perfumes or cleaning agents are designed to be quickly absorbed or evaporate rapidly. 4th one, convenience. Sprays are often portable and easy to use on the go, making them ideal for busy lifestyles. Number 5th, uniform distribution. Spray can distribute a product evenly, ensuring consistent coverage or application. 6th, less mess. Sprays can reduce mess and spills compared to liquids or powders. Number 7, increased surface area. Sprays can create a fine mist or foam, increasing the surface area for better coverage or penetration. These advantages can make sprays a popular choice for various products, from personal care and household items to industrial and medical applications.